Hello guys, as you can see, I'm in the members area of Lead Intelligence and it's a brand new software launched by George and Trevor. Now you are thinking what this software does. So guys, with this software, you are going to rapidly build your high profitable subscriber list and that you can make money from instantly. As easily you can say that this software will help you in building your subscriber list, and with this subscriber list you are going to make a lot of money guys. So my name is Suraj Pratap and welcome to my channel. If you are interested in this software or want to know more about this software, then stick with me and watch this full review video till the end, because today I'm also giving my some 4 premium bonuses for free of cost guys to you. And I want to show you my bonuses, then we come back to the members area of this software, which is Lead Intelligence, and know how this software works and what kind of features you are getting in this software. So guys, when you click the link which is in the description, you bring through here on my bonus page. As you can see, my insane bonus bundle of Lead Intelligence. So when you scroll down, you can see there is an image guys. I want to tell you something, that if this clock hits 0, then my first 2 bonus will disappear guys. And today I am giving my 4 premium bonuses. So if you are going to buy this software, then buy as fast as you can before this clock hits 0 guys. So now when you scroll down, here you can see the image of this software and also the description. You can read this description to your own guys. And when you scroll down more, here you can see the prices, but we'll talk later about the prices guys, because I want to show you some benefits of this software guys, and these are the key benefits of this software, and I'm going to explain you these benefits guys. So the first benefit is brand new cloud based viral lead generation software. So guys, this lead intelligence software is totally based on cloud storage, and it's a brand new software guys. So the second one is guys, rapidly builds high profitable and engaged email list. So guys, with this software you are going to make your own high profitable subscriber list, and with these lists you are going to make a ton of money guys. And the third one is generates leads and makes sales 24/7 365. So guys, with this software you are going to make your subscriber list, and with this subscriber list you are going to generate more sales, and automatically you can make more money guys. So the another key benefit is guys, gather customer data while simultaneously building your list to increase profit. So guys, with this software you can also gather another data of your customer and increase your profits guys. So the another key benefit is guys, fixes your list building problems forever. So guys, this software will solve your or all problems related to list building guys for forever. And the another key benefit is guys, no technical skills needed. So guys, to run this software you do not need any technical knowledge, and if you are totally beginner you can also run this software easily guys, and 100% beginner friendly. So as I told you guys that if you are totally beginner you can also run this software. And another one is that no additional cost. So guys, for this software you do not have to pay any additional cost. Pay once only. You have to pay only one time for this software. And the last key benefit is guys, which is 30 days money back guarantee. So guys, if you think that this software is not working for you, then you can also refund this software and get your money back within 30 days. But the vendor is so confident that this software will going to so help you for you guys. And with this software you can also make a lot of money, guys. So these all are the key benefit of this software. I think you will understand this care properly, guys. Now when you scroll down more, here you can see a demo video, guys. You can also watch this demo video, and in this video you are going to see how this software works. And when you scroll down more, guys, now it's time to know about my bonuses. So here you can see my first bonus is, guys, how to write headline that sell, and its price is, guys, 200 sorry guys, $249. So guys, with this bonus you are going to learn how you can write some that catchy headline that increase your sales and also help you in generating more money, guys. And the second bonus is, which is $0 to $100 in 24 hours, and its price is, guys, $699. So guys, with this bonus you are going to learn how you can make your first $100 within 24 hours in Make Money Online, guys. And the third bonus is, guys, which is how to build a buyers list, and its price is $697, guys. So guys, with this bonus you are going to learn how you can build your own buyers list and sell them after and after again, guys, and make more money. And the bonus 4, which is, guys, crazy traffic explosion, and its price is $799. So with this bonus you are going to learn how you can drive huge crazy traffic for your offers, guys, and generate more sales, and also get earn more money, guys. So the bonus 5, which is, guys, special bonus, and its price is $2,997. And this special bonus was provided you by the vendor, guys. I'm also show you the vendors bonuses. So the first bonus of vendor is, guys, personal one-on-one help, and the second bonus is, guys, PLR rights to affiliate marketing takeover, and the third bonus is, guys, live workshop secret bonus delivery strategy. So guys, these all three bonuses and also my 4 premium bonuses. Today you are going to take this all bonuses for free of cost, guys. You have to only pay for the software, which is Lead Intelligence, and these all bonuses you will get for free of cost. Now you're thinking how you can get these all bonuses for free of cost, and also buy the software, guys. So when you click the link which is in the description, guys, and you come here on my bonus page, you have to click one of these yellow buttons, which is click here to secure your bonuses. So when you click this button, and here you bring through here on the sales page of this Lead Intelligence, and you can also see here there is a button which is click for instant access. So when you click this button, guys, you have to pay the price of this software, and the software is yours. So you will get the bonuses of vendors in the members area, guys. And now talk about my bonuses. So when you buy this software with my link, guys, then you have to go to your Warrior Plus account and go to your dashboard and select the purchase history and search for the Lead Intelligence. So when you click on this Lead Intelligence, the interface looks like that, guys, and there is a view button, which is access affiliate bonus, and you have to click this button, guys. Then you can get access all of my premium bonuses for free of cost. Okay, guys, so that's the way you are going to buy this software or also get my all premium bonuses for free of cost, guys. So now let's talk about the prices, guys. So the first front end price of this Lead Intelligence is, guys, $17, and OTO 1, which is Lead Intelligence Pro, its price is, guys, $37. Downside is $27, OTO2, which is done for you campaign suit. Its price is guys $67 and down sale is $47. OTO3, which is reseller license, its price is guys $197 and down sale is $97. And OTO4, which is LI inner circle, its price is guys $9.97 per month, and you will get trial for $1. And the last OTO5, which is guys white label license, its price is guys $497. So guys, I told you about my all bonuses and also of the vendors bonuses and also how you can buy this software guys. Now it's time to jump to the members area of this software, and here we are guys. So when you come to the members area of this software, you can see the first section is guys dashboard, and the second one is guys training. Here you can see all the training guys, why and benefits, quick overview, walkthrough, done for you quizzes, done for you campaigns, understanding the logic. And the another section is guys which is case studies, and in this you are going to see the case studies of this lead intelligence. And the another section is guys of tools, and in this tool section you are getting quiz list, lead list, stats and done for you. And the another section is guys done for you campaigns, and the another section is guys integration. So in this section you can also integrate your any autoresponder guys. And the another section is guys users, and the another is guys bonus. So here you are going to get all vendors bonuses guys. And the another section is upgrades, and the last one is guys support. So if you are getting any difficulty with this software, then you can also contact with the support team guys. Click on this button. So I think I told you enough about this software guys, and also don't forget about my bonus premium bonuses guys. So if you are going to buy this software, then don't forget to click the link which is in the description guys, and also here don't forget to click one of these yellow buttons and buy this software and get my all premium bonuses for free of cost. So if you like this video, then don't forget to give me a thumbs up and also comment down below guys, and also subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends guys. So have a nice day. Thank you.